I'll put some down.
So what did you do? You split it and you're just tying it?
Mm-hmm. Just four knots.
Just making it
Oh,
very...
bring a knife. Oh, right there.
So here we've got... you put that in, Michael.
What are you doing? It's $2.
$2 what? To take a picture?
Yeah. And video, it's more.
It's alright, I'm standing still. I'm standing still with the video. I'm standing still.
It's too late for the video. אנחנו היינו צריכים לעשות וידאו מההתחלה, רבי, ולשלוח בקבוצת וואטסאפ. כיף.
אתם עושים דמונסטריישן על שלי, אז I gotta charge you.
אוקיי, את השתיים האחרונים תן לאיציק לעשות.
תגידי, למה אתה מחפש לי עבודה?
עכשיו מה, איך עושים את זה?
So where are you tying in relation to the top of the shidra?
These go?
Yeah.
It makes no difference. As long as you have 4, just have 7 total kabbalistically. Nothing major.
About 26, is there a 26? While we're doing numbers, let's...
11.
You want to try 26 up there?
No, 4. Why no, because you have 7 to do spizin. 7 total.
Not 11.
Only 7 to spizin.
David.
Yeah, we're going to have all kinds of...
What's going on, man?
קטן.
Eating lots, that's all. Want to go to the gym with me? Yeah. I want to go with Michael. No, I don't want to. With Michael, you're going to stay